Hey guys, it's Christina. So today I wanted to do a quick little unboxing for these hair tools that I just got from Sutra. So I wanted to film a hair tutorial, but before I film it, I wanted to ask you which one I should do first because I got a blow dryer, a really cool curling iron, like a wand, and then a hair straightener, which you guys know naturally I have really curly hair, so I'm excited to try all of these out because for me it takes me so long to blow dry my hair, straighten it, and then put extensions in and then curl it all together like what I have today. So before I get started, don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell so you're always notified when I post a new video, and let me know in the comments which one I should do first. But let me show you. So first of all, the blow dryer, like it looks like a brush. You ever seen a cooler blow dryer? I've never. Which I've tried so many different ones over the years because, you know, my curly hair, and it's hard to find like the perfect one. And you might have seen this little unboxing on my Insta stories. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you should add me. It's K3 Chocolate. I did a little mini video on there, like showing you guys these three, and I asked you which tutorial you want to see first. And a lot of people were torn between the curling wand and the blow dryer. So I'm gonna ask you guys here in the comments because YouTube fam, you're my number one, so I'm just saying. But if you don't want to miss any of these little polls that I do on my Insta stories, definitely add me on there. This is so cool. So it looks like this. High, medium, and low settings. Let me tell you the prices. Because I saw Desi Perkins do a tutorial on the Dyson blow dryer, which is like $500. She did like a tutorial / review, kind of like, is it worth the price? Which I wanted to do the same. So it's sutrabeauty.com, and I got a code for 15% off any order. So I'm gonna share it with you guys, and I'll put it down below in the info box. So this is the blow dryer, $249 without tax. So there's green, pink, and purple. So I'm excited to try it out, and I really want to film it. So let me know if you want to see that, like was it worth it sort of video like Desi did. And then for the flat iron, I love the packaging. It's really cool to give someone as a gift. This is so sleek. Like I love the feel of it, and it's really lightweight. It has the rose gold blades. There's a little window, and there's the light up light, which I need because you guys don't even know how many times I've burned my dresser before for like forgetting to turn off my curling wand. This one is the Ionic Infrared Flat Iron. So I got this little leaflet in there. It says rose gold titanium plates, infrared output, rapidly heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, dual voltage, adjustable digital temperature control, which is important because you don't want to burn your hair. If you have fine hair like me, you know you have to adjust it, make it the right temperature. Auto shut off. Like I said, I need that. And extended cool tip. And this one is $175. Cool tip edges. That means that right here, you're not gonna like burn your fingers if you touch it. And then we've got the curling wand, which I'm the most excited to try because, first of all, because it's like a wand, but it's like a clippy clip, which is different. Okay, you see it's like a barrel, but it's got this slit where you put your hair through it, but then you wrap it around this. So it's not like one of those with a clip, because I cannot use this for the life of me, like the regular like curling irons, like from the drugstore. No, I need a curling wand. You know, I've just never been able to get a hang of those, so curling wands are just easier for me. But this one looks like this, so I'm excited to try it out. There's a different heat settings for 50, 400, 360, 320. They have so many different ones on their website, but this curling wand right here is $120. So I also got a little leaflet for it, and it says rapidly heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for temperature settings, dual voltage, 360 degree swivel cord, so you don't have to get it all tangled, and pure tourmaline plates. And then their socials, which are all at Sutra Beauty. And then I also got this cool little sleeve so you don't burn your dresser like I have in the past. But it's also good to travel with this, you know, so if it's still hot and you have to pack, just put it in here. And they all come with a warranty card. And what's really cool is that they're here in LA. They're in Van Nuys, and I believe this is a lifetime warranty, but I have to check on that. So you just fill this little leaflet out and send it in to them. And then I also got this hair serum. So this is the hair serum. I love the glass packaging. So fancy. You can just put it on your little vanity. I have like a little glass tray in my bathroom for my products, so it looks really cute. And it's 60 ml or 2.03 fluid ounces. It's pretty liquid. This is rejuvenating, paraben free. You just put it in your damp hair. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna do the blow dry tutorial if I do it. So let me know in the comments which tutorial I should do. Blow dryer, flat iron, or curling wand. Don't forget about the coupon code for 15% off. I'll put it here and down below, and it takes 15% off any order on suturebeauty.com, and it takes 15% off any order on suturebeauty.com. And that is it, guys. So subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. It's all at K through Chocolate. Leave me some comments what you want to see next. Adios, and I'll see you next time. Bye.